Hey, I am back from a golf cart ride on August 12th. And it started out simple enough. Portillo's, I think is how you say it. I've never been to here. It was their grand opening. I sat with one of the employees at my late lunch. I decided to head over to Middleton, the grand opening. She basically told me they were so happy that so many people showed up for the ribbon cutting to open the new store. The store was busy. I also learned very quickly the high school is back in session because around 2 o'clock, 2:15, 2:40, whatever the time was, kids were coming into the restaurant. And I went with the hot dog. That was the recommendation by the guy at the counter, that they were famous for their original hot dog. So I tried it because I don't know if it's a pepper steak, I didn't get one. It looked a little too big for me for lunch. I decided to go with one hot dog. But I'll show you some pictures here. It was a great, nice detail inside, up in the ceiling. There's some golf balls with their name on it, but that's not really the big news. What got me so excited to get right back, and I feel like I'm hot, sweaty, but I just got to do this video. Coming over the Bexley Bridge, coming into Eastport before you get to Middleton, the whole new area is open. There's a lot more areas you can drive your golf cart this week. Honestly, I had pretty much been Eastported out. Everybody for, it seems like 2 years has been talking about Eastport and each new village next to Eastport and what's going to be in Eastport. And it just seems like it's been an awful long process. But here at the new Welcome Center, that was the entrance to the Welcome Center. And they have all these golf carts that are 6-seaters, 4 facing forward, 2 back, to shuttle people to their cars. But there's also a trolley stop right here that takes people to this Welcome Center. Clearly, this Welcome Center is built for the long term because there's all the new houses south of the turnpike for years to come. But it's a beautiful building. On the left here, you can kind of see down some of the roads that are leading towards the entertainment set. So I really do recommend you get there. That sign you just saw is an electronic sign that replaced when you used to purchase a home and you'd have your name on a board and what state you are from. It's gone electronic. This is right at the end of the lake and where the star is on the ground. So you're able to walk around this whole end now and drive your golf cart around the building. Now this is the new, you used to go into sales offices and see pins. This is a board that you can expand and expand and retract, and it will show you homes available and which ones are sold. So everything's gone electronic. But as you drive here around near the end of the lake, but not exactly over by the entertainment that's coming, that's still being heavily under construction. But what I did is I turned around here, got off the golf cart, and wanted to show you, you can't go across the bridge, but I was able to take the camera and show you above the bridge. Kind of give you a feel for what it is like to go over to that island. It's not open yet. A lot of areas that are not open, but after all these years and people wanting to get in, you now can get in pretty close and kind of see for yourself and see the different There's a bronze statue with a golf cart. People were taking pictures with it. You will see when you come to the inside of the Welcome Center, which I'm going to show you in a bit. You will see I shot kind of bicycles outside in an area near where the trolley stop is. But I was thrilled. I was very happy. Again, first rate, the Villages knows how to do it. This is inside the Villages Welcome Center. Lots of seating, lots of TV screens to show you activities. It's kind of a long corridor. The whole building is like offices upstairs and along the side. But if anything you wanted to learn about the Villages, or if you are coming for a lifestyle visit, you definitely need to stop in here and take a look at the sales map and some of the other stuff that they can show you. So there's a lot of tables here for a sales agent and yourself to sit down and talk. It's a really beautiful inside. This is the bicycles and the bronze. I thought it was very well done. You can see the trolley out there at the trolley stop. It's going to be interesting if they do trolleys from one town square to another, as many people have requested. That would be like an ideal stop. This is where the board is. It tells you what homes are sold or which homes are available. It's all color coded and no more pins. So as I left, the Villages golf car store was right there on the left. And then we're heading over to the Golf Academy. And the Golf Academy is on one end of the driving range, on the opposite driving range. This is the Golf Academy. Now, I try to get a sneak peek of what it looked like from the other side of the building because I see an overhang there. Couldn't really see, but I'm sure there's some monitors, for monitoring your golf swing and those kind of things. So I looped around to the other side, and you can see where they're going to set up for people to learn how to golf along here. The Golf Academy is a very nice setup. It'll be great. I'm looking forward to going to the driving range. The driving range is behind the hotel. So right now we're going to come up onto, I'm going to turn so you can see into the field. That will be the driving range from the other side. So both sides will be using the open field, but there's the hotel in the distance, and people that will be viewing the driving range will be all the way over there. Now, another part in the Welcome Center, there's a coffee shop and looks like little food items that you can get. Everybody was so nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I am going to put out, my time has been consumed with learning golf, but I'm not going to bore you with how good or bad I am, but I'm going to tell you about an app that I use. It's helping me a lot in getting my swing better and better. That's going to be a quick one. It's going to be like a 3-minute video, but it's coming. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. And take a ride over to Eastport. It's time. You can ride through some of the roads that have been closed off for a long time. You can do it. Again, say hi when you see me in the Villages.